Welcome to Mailbox Monday, brought to you mostly by Vanquish and Amazon. Welcome to Bullman Built RC if you've never been here, and welcome back if you have. This is a Mailbox Monday where I go over all the things that I got in the mail over the last week or so. So, today is no different. We will start with the small packages, work our way up to the big package. Here we go. Little man says we start here, so this is where we start. Let's try to do this the non-messy way. What we have here is 1/8 LimeLine masking tape. This is basically line tape that hopefully will just get my stuff on point. I've been struggling with some of these paint jobs I've been doing, so hopefully this is going to help. I got the 1/8 in that package, and even got a little sticker. It comes with some sort of something. Let's open this up, see what we got. Let's see here. We have the actual tape. Put that there. We have a Time Warp custom paint. That is a pretty cool sticker, if I do say so. I have these Pinstripe Panel Designs Flames Lowrider Graphics. So this is where I got it. That is the whatever the hell you want to call that little card in there, and then this is just a backing card. It's not a sticker or anything, just a cool design. So we got that. Next! Little man says this one is next. So here we go. Now we have another random that. All right. Yes. This is just more camera parts. So this is a little elbow. Oh, it makes noise. I may end up putting this. You know what? I may still be able to use this. I may put this on that above the camera, and you can't see it, so me saying this and that doesn't really matter. But this has enough parts that I may be able to take out that little bendy dude, and maybe I can make this work. I'm not 100% sure. I kind of have everything set up, but this may help to refine the process a little bit, make it a little more stable. So I got that. Next! And this is just more Amazon. It says I can tear it this version. Well, that's not nearly as fun as slicing it. Okay. Let's see what we got. Aha! More LimeLine paint. Next! Last envelope. Alright, this is 1/16 LimeLine paint. This is for really small pinstriping and things like that. Once again, sticker, backing sheet thingies. Now you can see the difference in the widths. I can do some really fine line, hopefully, decals and things. I have an idea. This is probably really going to help the Texas limo. So maybe you can put some things together, maybe you can't. I'm not sure. Oh well. Anyway, that's gonna paint that. Next up from a wonderful viewer, Keith Bill U. This is a box, obviously. This is some parts that he had made that he was interested to see what I thought of, and so we went ahead and we ordered some, and then supposed to be sending some other things. So let's see what all we got. Alright, so starting here, I have to cut this. Chassis plates and fab tab. Oh, sweet. Oh, Jesus, there's things everywhere. Okay, there we go. So, Doug and Jordan and I ordered some of these. These are basically VFD bolt-up chassis plates. So all the holes line up to the VFD chassis, and then you can build off of them. Very nicely done. They are slotted, so maybe you can move them back and forth, etc., etc. I like these a lot. Hopefully they work as well as they look, because they are very nice. So that is one of the things we got. And then there is, oh, that rubber band broke. There we go. Also, these like triple tube bumper mounts here. So we got some of those. They do slide in and out. Basically, like, let's see, that one would be the middle, that one's farthest back, and then this one is in line with the bottom one, so the bars would kind of go up and out. That's pretty cool. I do like that. I may actually use that on the Magenta truck. These are a different kind of bumper mount. They don't have the full encapsulation, so the tube is actually the outside of it, which if that is the look you're going for, these would be money. Not 100% sure what I'll be doing with those, but those do look good. You set them up in your fixture and then just blast them on while they're sitting with the tube on top. Those will be really, really cool. And then these are also basically the same thing, but they have the full encapsulation, I believe. They look about the same. Let's measure those up. Yeah. So sames. They just have the whole hole. And actually, these are very shallow bins. So this will be good for bodies that are much closer and slam down a little bit, because they're not quite straight, but they're not a 45. I actually like those a lot. I'll probably bolt these up to a couple different trucks and see exactly what I can fit them on, see what they'll work on, see what they wouldn't work on. I have a few ideas. This is probably more of a 80s K5 or a Toyota kind of style bumper. This is that big brush guard, big rowdy. You put like one bar through here and then a bar through these two only and lop them off there. So it's just got the one bar and then the two as like a brush guard. You could do that, or you could go all the way across and make some sort of brush guard thing. These could actually be pretty cool if you're looking for that design and what to do with those. And they look really well made. I don't know where he had these made or if he does them exactly. There's a little bit of a start-stop there. Nothing too crazy on that one. These are really, really clean. Tiny. I used to run a laser, so I'm going to be way more nitpicky about anything than most other people would. These are really nice as well. So yeah, you just got a little tiny burr on the back, and these are super clean as far as that goes. They all look uniform. Anywho, but that's what we got. Those are super cool. I am excited to build something with those, especially since maybe I have new projects coming around. Now, for the super cool part, people have started sending in things for the Operation 11 Charlie giveaway truck that we are giving away at Beat the Creek. So we have 1/9 ruptures. We have 2 pairs to make a complete set. I've never had these in hand, but they are grain compound J Concepts, so I know they are going to be very sticky, very pliable, and very nice tires. They will be going on a set of blue bullies that I have cut over there. So we are now actually starting to collect parts for this thing, and that makes me really excited and makes me feel really good, because I cannot wait to give this truck away to somebody. Next! You ready? Here we go. This is a box from Vanquish. This is my first dealer box, or delivery as a dealer, distributor, whatever they called it. So here is what I got. This is a axial 10-3 aluminum housing. This is a Curry F9. I needed this for a project that I have going on here in my head. Got to get it out. It'll be started probably right around the time that we get to go to Beat the Creek and I get some more parts that I'm waiting on. But I wanted to have the actual axle here. So that is the front axle. I also got another one. This one I actually ordered for my buddy Jordan. So he has a buggy that is also in progress, and he found one of these, but it was clear. So I went ahead and ordered him a black one. Now he's selling the clear one. So that is the Curry 10-3 Portal front axles from Vanquish. Next! Okay, so speed run through these. I got 3 aluminum bearing carriers for a VFD twin. One of them's for my dad. The other 2 are just for me to have up on the shelf. So I got those. Next up we have the VFD machined front gears. This will go in Smurf. This set will go up on the wall, and this set will go in the magenta straight axle that I have. These just came back in stock. I grabbed a bunch of them just because I needed some, and then I grabbed an extra just in case. A lot of my trucks don't usually burn up those, but in those two trucks that I use a lot and that I do kind of run pretty hard, I wanted to go ahead and get them while they were in stock. I don't know if I'll wait until they break or I'll just put them in now. Probably just put them in now here in the next couple weeks and go from there. So that is something else I got. Next, last in my Vanquish box is all these slipper eliminators. We are cutting down slipper eliminators and selling them for short motors. So we put together a whole little kit with some aluminum standoffs, chop these up, make sure to take them into the bearing and they're all the proper length and they all fit and everything like that. And then we repackage them with the standoffs for shortened VFDs so that you can run black jackets, yellow jackets, a couple of the revolvers that are a little bit shorter, especially like the team spec, things like that are super short. And you can make it more of a compact transmission if you are needing more space in a buggy, or if you just want to lose some weight, move some weight around, maybe move the transmission up, you can move the motor back, you can do a combination of the two, whichever you're looking at. My buddy Jordan and I are doing that as a little side project. If you're interested in one, they are $55 shipped. That includes everything in this bag. It'll be cut down for the drive pin, and we assemble all of them to make sure they're good. We do have some tolerances as far as everything in the transmission can move, but we do go ahead and assemble them with a bunch of different gear sets and everything like that, so that way we know that we've done everything we can to make sure these are 100% going to fit and going to be an easy bolt in. So I got 10, 12 of those, something, I don't remember how many I got. 15. I got 15 of those. So I got that. That is the last of the small parts. Now on to the big boy. Next! Alright. This. Just something that I bought. I will probably take... Actually, I got 3 of them. I'll be taking these to different places. There's a swap meet here in a couple weeks. And I will be getting rid of these. Just promoting my distribution, dealership, all that jazz. So, what I have is a... Ta-da! PS410, ready to run, Phoenix in red. Super excited about these. I'm not going to actually open this up, but I got it in the mail, and as I always say, whatever I get in the mail is what you guys get to see. So, this is a factory ready to run Phoenix. Comes with the Falcons, comes with the transmitter, VE1 electric speed control, brush motor, 35 turn, and metal gear servo and everything. RTr minus some batteries. And I will have a few of these. I'll have some at Beat the Creek. If you're interested in one, I can definitely have one there and hook you up. And I will be bringing a few. So we will see how this does. I'm very new to this. I'm trying to not blow out full scale, go crazy. But hey, you know, start with a few trucks and some parts, and we'll go from there and build up logically instead of just being stupid and ordering $5,000 worth of trucks, which is what I want to do, but we're not doing that. That is all. Make sure to check out on Facebook. Check me out on my actual Facebook page, Bullman Built RC, as a page. There's also a Bullman Built group. And then check me out on Instagram, Bullman Built RC, across the board for all 3. And I appreciate you watching. I will see you later. Bye!